Now let we start the new chapter, that is Smart Chart, Class 3, Subject Maths. Presented by Srimati Seema Chakravarti, PRT, KV number 1, Ishapur. What is the targeted learning outcome? The children should record data using tally marks, records the data in terms of pictograph by choosing appropriate scale and unit, presents the data in form of bar charts and tables, and at last they can draw conclusions and solve problems based on given data. Now this is the first page of Smart Chart, and children, you look at the different colors of flowers here. Some of them are blue, red, yellow, orange, purple. So here there is a box for you. A table is made. What is the color of flowers and how many numbers of flowers are there? Blue, you have to count how many numbers of flowers and you have to write it in the table. Similarly for the red flowers, orange flowers and the purple flowers. Just count the number of flowers and write it. Next is absent students chart. Class 1. This is a chart who are absent in that particular day. Class 1, 2 students are absent. Class 2, 1 student. This is a pictorial representation. A student is marked by a face. Class 3, 3 children are absent. Class 4, 4 children are absent. Class 5, 2 children are absent. So from this table, you can understand how many children are absent in a particular class. So this is a pictorial representation of the absentees. Now children, here are some questions for you. Have you ever been to a park? Yes, I have been to a park. What colored flowers did you see? I saw flowers of different colors like yellow, blue, red, orange and purple. Were most of the flowers yellow in color? Yes or no? Okay, so these are the numbers, these are the questions that you have to write it. Now what do we see on the road? Look at the traffic seen in the picture and fill in the table. Walking people, how many? How many buses? How many scooters? How many cycles? So in the next slide, I'll show you the picture of it. Now here another table for you. Rabia threw her die 30 times. She got 3 5 times. In her table, she marked 3 as 5. Okay. Face of the die is 1. Number of times she got 3. 2, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times she has got. 3, 5 times. 4, 5 times. 5, 4 times. And 6, 6 times. So this way she analyzed how many times she threw her die and what is the number she got and how many times. Now here it is the scenery of the road that I have given you the questions. How many people are moving on the road? How many buses? How many scooters? How many cars? How many cycles? So by just seeing this road picture or road scene, you can easily write how many buses are moving, how many cars, how many cycles, how many people are moving on the road. Now here is a particular smart chart for you. It's a worksheet. Read and write the number for the given tally marks. Here how many lines you are seeing in the first? There are 3. Okay, in B, you will find out that first is 1, 2, 3, 4 and one line is crossed them. So that means 5. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. Number C is how many here? 5. Number D is 5 plus 2, here it is 7. Number E is here 5 plus 3, it is 8. Number F is 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So this way, just by counting the numbers, you can write only this tally marks. It will be easier for you to calculate. Now, which is your favorite game? Make a list of all the children in your class, or you can take of your friends. Ask each child their favorite game and record this against their name. Using this information, complete the table given below. For example, skipping. You can most of your friends like to skip. Okay, like the skipping game. Next, Ludo, indoor game. Next, table tennis, lawn tennis, badminton, running, kabaddi. So many games are there. So you just find out, you just select some of the games and you ask your friends how many friends are liking this, and you can put the tally marks for that. Yes, now again another absentees chart. Just now I told you class 1 there are 2 students are absent, class 2 1 child is absent, class 3 3 students are absent, class 4 4 students are absent, class 5 2 students are absent. So this is a chart to show the number of absent students. Each absent student is shown by a face. In the chart show the absent students of class 5. Now look at the chart and fill in the blanks. The class with the highest number of absent students is 4. The class with the least number of absent students is 2. Class 2, isn't it? There are only 1. The class with 3 students absent is class 3. The number of students absent in class 4 and class 5 are 4 and 2 respectively. Okay. So this way you can make it. Make your own smart chart about things around you. Which bird has the most colors? Number of colors you can write: crow 1, sparrow 2, pigeon 3, parrot 3, peacock 10. So obviously the most colorful bird is peacock. So this way you can choose any of your table and you can find out the data of it. Here is another way of representation of data. This is called bar chart. Here number of students and the number of students liking the game, like cricket, football, it is hockey, badminton, swimming, and it is, I think, tennis. So here in the y-axis it is number of students. It is given here 80 students like cricket, football 40 students like football, hockey 20 students like hockey, then badminton 30 students like badminton, swimming you see here 45 students. It is in between 40 and 50. So 45 students like swimming. Table tennis, it is around 75 students like table tennis. So by this bar chart also you can understand what is the data about. Now here it is an attendance board. It is of the date 8/2/2007. Total number of students of class 1 is 27, students present 25, student absent 9, 2. So this is a complete chart of absent, present and absent. So from this chart only you can understand how many students are present in a particular class and how many students are absent. So these are all smart charts. In class 2, total number of students are 23, students present 22 and students absent 1. Class 3, 24 students are here. Students present 21 and students absent 3. Similarly, class 4, number of students 22, total number of students present 18, students absent 4. Then class 5, total number of students present, students 25, present 23, students absent 2. So you can have the total of it. Representing numerical data by using the picture symbols, the table represents the total number of flowers a nursery produces. Month January to February, number of flowers 350. March to April, 800. May to June 200. July to August 700. September to October 650. November to December 100. So it is one flower indicates 100 flowers. So automatically they have given this data. So this is a pictorial representation, or you can tell it is pictograph. So I already discussed about the tally marks. You can see this is a break, and in the break how many advertisements are given. In the first break it is 12 advertisements. Tally marks are also here indicated. Second break there are 13 advertisements. In the third break there are 13 advertisements. In the fourth break there are 13 advertisements. Okay. So this is all about the smart chart. Now thank you very much. You have learned how to represent a data pictorially, how to represent data in the table, how to represent data in bar chart, and how to represent data with the by using tally marks. So this is all about the smart charts, children. Thank you very much. God bless you.